Hi, there was a question about this problem, just part D. And part D asks, what's the total distance that the particle travels as t goes from 0 to 4 seconds? We were given dx dt and dy dt, and we know this is the formula for how far a particle will travel, the arc length. Definite integral as t goes from 0 to 4 of the square root of dx dt squared plus dy dt squared dt. So squaring that, make sure you distribute properly. We get 4t squared minus 10t cosine t minus another 10t cosine t plus 25t squared, and then plus that squared. All right, this is definitely a calculator problem. We won't be finding this antiderivative without a calculator. So make sure you know how to calculate definite integrals with your graphing calculator. Recall, first you'll hit this math key and choose choice 9, function integral. Then you'll see this screen. You'll need to fill in the limits of integration, the integrand, and the variable you're integrating with respect to. And you can enter this expression here exactly the way it looks here, but make sure you're careful how you enter this. So 25 cosine squared of t, you need to enter into your calculator as 25 parenthesis cosine of t in parentheses, another parenthesis, and then squared, etc. Anyway, when you do this, we get an answer that the particle's total distance traveled is about 26.656 units. I hope this helped.